Welcome on another session. Our session today is concerned with the problem on statistic. And our problem number 1 is as follows. The table below shows summarized results for 100 students in a mathematics test. As shown in the table, it showed that the score from 0 to 10, students were 14. Also from 10 to 20 students are known. Also, the score from 20 to 30 students are 27. And from 30 to 40 students were unknown also. And from 40 to 50 students who score that marks from 40 to 50, there are 15. So the task on that problem is that you are required to find values of x and y if the mode of the data is 24. It means we're going to find those unknown values x and y. So a solution of that problem is as follows. Solution, you are required to find x and y. To find x and y. So as we know that we have given the total number of students. The number of students were 100. It means when you take 14 plus x plus 27 plus y plus 15, you're going to get 100. It implies that when you take 14 plus x plus 27 plus y plus 15, you get equal to 100. It means from there, when you make x and y, you find that x plus y is equal to 44. This is, let's say, what we call equation number 1. Also, from our problem, we have given the mode of the data. That the mode of the data was 27. So what does it mean? It means if the mode of the data, it means the mode score of the data, it was 24. It means when you come in your class interval from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, it means the mode 24 is found in this class. It means we think that this is a model class. And that 27 is the frequency within the model class. It means that 24 is so-called the model frequency. It means from there you can be able to say that from mode which is given by arrow plus t1 plus t2 times I since the mode we have given the mode in our problem is 24, it implies that the model class is 20 to 30. 20 to 30. This is the model class, which implies also that the model frequency is 27. So it means by using these two concepts, you can be able to find error, you can be able to find T1, T2, and also can be able to find I. So it means we are going to find those two parameters. So it means for the case of error, it means we're going to take the lower boundary of the model class. In the model class, it was 20 to 30. The lower boundary is 20. It means you take 20 minus a half of the step jumped. Since there is no step jump, when you come in a table, there is no step jump from 0 to 10. And also it starts from 10 to 20. Also from 20 to 30, it means no step jump. It means you minus 0. So it will be, the error it will be 20. For the case of T1, it means it is a difference between the model frequency, which is 27, minus the frequency below the model class. It means the frequency below it is x, minus x. Also T2, you take the difference between the model class, the model frequency 27 minus the frequency above to frequency above the model class, which is y. And the I it means you take 30 minus 20, which is 10. So by substituting the data, the data values in the formula we get the mod from mod. It means mod, it is 24, equal to L which is 20, plus bracket T1 it is 27 minus x over 27 minus x plus 27 minus y, bracket times 10. We are proceeding. It means from there we are going to subtract 20 both sides. It means it will be 24 minus 20 equal to 27 minus x over 27 minus x plus 27 minus y, bracket times 10, which is here we remain with 4 equal to, when you distribute 10 inside, it will be 270 minus 10x over here it will be 54 minus x minus y, and then we cross multiply. When we cross multiply, it will be 54 minus x minus y, bracket times 4 equal to 270 minus 10x. We are proceeding. It means when you distribute this 4 inside, it means we are going to open the brackets. It will be 4 times 54, it will be 216 minus 4x minus 4y equal to 270 minus 10x. From there, you will find that when you bring this 216 to that side and this negative 10x on that side, the answer it will be 36. The remaining simplified answer will be 3x minus 2i equal to 27. So it has it is question number 2. From there, we can be able to solve, as we remember that from our first equation, which was found from the total number of frequencies. From here, was our first equation. It means our second equation here, it is this one, 3x minus 2y equal to 27. It means we are going to solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So it means equation 1 was x plus y equal to 44, and our equation number 2 it is 3x minus 2y equal to 27. It is 3x minus 2y equal to 27. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. From there, when you solve these two equations simultaneously, it means you can use one of the two methods, either by elimination or by substitution method. When you solve these two equations by, let's say, by substitution or by elimination method, you are going to get that x it is 23 and y it is 21. So therefore, you conclude that the value of x and y is 23 and 21 respectively. So this is on how to find the values of x and y if you have given the mod and you have given two unknown in the frequency distribution table as it was shown in our question, like that. So I hope you understand me very well. Go and check another problem and send it to me. I will solve for it. Thank you very much for listening. We shall meet in another problem concerning on statistic. Welcome. Thank you very much for listening.